our words become the world that we live in. This is the world that so many of my dear friends and amazing traders chose to live in because they decided, they committed to be a part of real life trading.
This trip, this experience, doesn't have enough words that will ever do it justice.
Jeremy is one of the first people in my life that I have met that has shown me how to live abundantly, how to put others ahead of yourself without any monetary gain required.
So Jeremy Newsom had the biggest impact on my life by making me slow down, live life, and just take a moment like this and enjoy it. My business has thrived because of him. My love life with my wife and my kids has thrived because of him. That's why Jeremy Newsom has made a huge impact on my life.
And it was more this family-friendly retreat where we get to know each other at such a deep level, and we got to grow together and trade a little bit, but it was more about bonding and really, you know, getting to know almost like your chosen family. So that was really cool.
So I would say the strategy's simple, and then the community to come around you to make sure that the accountability to do it correctly and all the information and the knowledge to get you to where you want to go.
Real life trading's changed my life in a lot of ways. The biggest way is probably the network of people that it's exposed me to. Firm believer in you are as good of a person as the people that you surround yourself with, and I think that real life trading does that.
RLT is the reason why I'm here. Without real life trading, I would have relied on my own assumptions of how the markets work, and I would have failed.
It has opened the doors of a whole new opportunity, what to do with my finances.
We actually took a trade live, and we're gonna do that here. The market opens in about 30 minutes. I'm gonna walk you through the strategy, and we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna play it out.
Even when I resisted, I've grown, and I've reached levels that I didn't think were possible for me to grow to or become.
Just the community, how much love there is. I think that's been like the #1 change in my life, just feeling part of something so strong, like being part of a community so strong.
So RLT has changed my life because it's given me the opportunity to experience things that I never would have had access to otherwise. And it's not so much, you know, they gave it to me, but they showed me that I had the potential inside of me to tap into a greater being, and that allowed me to then attack life.